If you want to access advanced features in Google AI Studio, this video will show you how to get started and understand your subscription options. First, go to aistudio.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Now, here's something important. Google AI Studio itself is generally free to use for testing and development. However, usage limits apply depending on the model and API usage. If you want higher limits or production access, you'll need to use Google's paid API plans through Google Cloud. Here's how to do that. Step 1. Go to console.cloud.google.com and sign in. Step 2. Create a new project if you don't already have one. Step 3. Enable billing for your project. You'll need to add a payment method inside the billing section. Step 4. Enable the Gemini or Generative AI API in the API library. Once billing is active and the API is enabled, your AI Studio usage will be tied to your Google Cloud project. That's essentially how you get subscription-level access, by enabling paid usage through Google Cloud. Your charges will depend on the model you use and how many tokens or requests you generate. So, to summarize, AI Studio is free to start. For higher limits and production use, activate billing in Google Cloud and enable the API. And that's how you get access to Google AI Studio subscription features in 2026. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tutorials.